Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Snapchat email. So just go and open the Snapchat app on this iOS device. So from here you will just go in the top right corner of settings. Just click the top right corner of setting here. So from here you will see my account. So this is your email. I hide due to privacy. So when you click to the settings, so on the top and on the top fourth option you will see the email address, your username, your number and your password. So this is how you will reach. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.